po yung apat na aces dito sa table na to. But all you have to do is memorize lang. The first is ace of cards, second card is ace of diamond, third card is ace of club, and last card is ace of spade. So, apat na aces lang po. The first card, nalagay ko lang dito. Okay. Second card, dito naman. Third card, and the last card is the spade. So, apat na spade lang natin. So, this time, I want you to memorize lang. The first card natin is ace of club. Right? So, it's the first card natin. And the second card is ace of club. And the third card is none other than the ace of club. And the last card is what we have. Remember, you have the first ace of club, second card is ace of diamond, third card is ace of club, and the last card is ace of spade. Okay? So ace of spade. Heart, diamond, clubs, and spades. But like this, ganito lang po. Spade nandito po. That one spade, nandito lang. Once not, wala siya akyat. Clubs, nalayo sa dito. Wala siya akyat na naman. Diamond, ilalagay ko lang po siya sa gitna. Somewhere sa gitna. And of course, inside ko lang po siya. Bigla siya nga po sa taas. And of course, the ace of heart is, ganun po, wala siya sa taas. Mga floor pang apat na lima. Mostly kasi, ang ace kanina, nakataob lang dito somewhere sa gitna. Alright, thank you guys for viewing.